Today I'm going to show you how to add interactive buttons to your website. First, you'll notice that I have my index page, my template, and two pages created from my template. So, to create an interactive button, you go to up here to the menu bar, Insert, Interactive Button. And here are all the interactive buttons you can use. You can see there's quite a few. I'm going to use this one, and then so you choose the interactive button you want. This is the text that's going to show up, so I'm going to just go home page, and then in here we're going to link to where we want the button to go. So I'm going to choose my index page, so it's going to go to index. Next, if you look up here at the font tab, you can choose your font. So choose the font that you've been using throughout your site. And you can choose style if you want it bold. And I'm going to make it 12. Original color I'm going to have as white to match my others. Hovered color I'm going to choose gray. Preset color, I don't care. Just or pressed color will be beautiful. Purple. Horizontal alignment, you can do center. Vertical alignment, you can do center. I'm going to choose it to the left so it puts it closer to the button. And then here you have image. You can determine the height and width. You can create all these images you need to leave checked. And I'm going to make mine with a transparent background. Well, actually I'm not. I'm going to show you what happens if you don't. So once you've set everything you like, just click OK. Now I have this button, and you can see it's white with white text. So I don't like that. Double click on the button, go to image, and I'm going to make it a transparent background. Click OK. Now you can see that it's showing up. I have home page. Notice the E is cut off, so let's double click it again. We're going to have to adjust the size of the box. So we go width maybe 120. Click OK, and there we have our interactive button. Now instead of making this every button for your page, for your different pages, so I'm going to have one for my index, page 2, and page 3. The easiest way to do it would be to copy this, and then click return, paste, return, paste. So now all these are going to go to my home page, but if I double click this one, I can change what it says. So I'm just going to name it page 2, browse, click page 2, click OK, double click this third button. This one's going to page 3. Hopefully you have more creative names. Browse, page 3, click OK. So now in a matter of minutes you've created navigation buttons for each one of your pages. When I click Save, File, Save, it's going to ask me it created images for each one of the buttons, so you click OK. And notice it put all those images right here, and it says there are 2 files attached to your template. Would you like to update them now? Click Yes, and click Close. So I'm going to save the whole stack, and remember the shortcut to do that is click here. And now if I look on these two pages, page 2 has my interactive buttons. Page 3 has the interactive buttons. My index page, however, does not have the interactive buttons. So the easiest way to get them is to go to your template and just click and drag and select them, copy, index, paste, and delete some extra spaces. And now I have my interactive buttons on every page. Page 2, page 3, and index. So I'm going to see what it looks like in Internet Explorer. Save everything you have, click OK, and preview. And you see when I roll over, so this is my home page. If I go to page 2, I go to page 3, home page, so they work. Great. So now you've made interactive buttons. And this completes all the requirements for your current event project.